Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to a new video. So in today's video, we're going to install the Big 3 upgrade. So before we start today's video, let me show you my car real quick. So this is my car guys. I kinda hate those wheels. I wish I had wheels like those 17-inch. But I'm gonna test those out um, soon guys. So stay tuned for that video. So let me disconnect the batteries guys and I'll be with you in a bit. Welcome back guys. So I removed the battery in the back already and the one in the front. So these are the terminals I'm gonna use here, and I'm gonna remove those and put it in the front. And these are the cables I'm gonna use for the Big 3 upgrade. As you can see, it's a little bit thicker than the zero gauge. And let me show you guys what tools I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna use all of this. As you can see, a socket wrench, cordless drill, to I'm gonna use a wire brush on it to remove the paint for better connections, clear coat also to repaint it, cable shoes, rubber tape, and cable cutter, and this is to put this on the cable. So as you can see, this is my engine guys. So this is the ground power cable. Look at the terminals guys. So in just a snap of the finger, it's gonna be replaced. So there it is guys, I replaced it already. So let's go to the engine bay. So guys, this is the engine, and as you can see, that's the alternator. So the Big 3 upgrade, you have to put a wire, the grounded wire, from here all the way to the plus of the battery terminals, and also from the ground of your car, from the body itself to the ground of the terminal of the batteries. And also I have to search for the engine ground. I need to upgrade that also. So let me remove all these plastic covers and I'm gonna be with you in a bit. So I removed the engine cover already. I'm going to put on a cable from this bolt and nuts all the way to the terminal of the battery, the plus. And I removed the plate and I found the engine ground. As you can see, it's just a little wire. I think it's a 16 gauge. So I'm gonna upgrade this also and put on the zero gauge, and also the ground. As you can see, the ground goes from here. Let me do that and I'm gonna come back to you guys. And also I'm gonna show you how to put on a cable shoe on the cable. This wire is made of pure copper, as you can see, and I'm gonna show you how to put on a cable shoe. So as you can see, now we have to use this tool. '95 12. 95.
Dopeworm.com.
So now I'm gonna use this rubber tape. As you can see, you have to pull off this. Look at the difference, guys. Look at this wire or cable, and look at this one with the rubber tape on it. Comment down below if you like how the cable is, and hit the like button. Give this video a thumbs up. So guys, let me explain to you why I'm doing the Big 3 upgrade. So I've done some research, and the Big 3 upgrade, I think every car audio guys needs it. Because if you run a car audio system higher than 3000 watts, you need this. So it can charge your battery better, and you can get the best out of your alternator. So welcome back, guys. So as you can see, I wire brush this so you can see the metal, so the grounding will be perfect. So if you install an amp, you also need to do this. Welcome back guys. So I've put on everything back together and I've started the car already, and let me show you the voltage. It was 14 when I started it earlier. So let me show you everything. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. If you love this video, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, subscribe, share, and it's almost 8 o'clock I think. It took time to put on the big 3 upgrade. I hope you appreciate it. It's gonna take time also to edit, maybe 4 to 5 hours. And thank you for your support guys. So that's it, and see you in the next video.